class. So all of you focus. It will be one of the best class that we will be having till date. Okay. So can anyone tell me, have you ever heard about particle oscillator? Have you heard about particle oscillator? No. Okay. Now let me tell you what is a particle oscillator. Okay. A particle oscillator is something. Can you see the screen clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you need to.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you need to go from your home to school. Okay. Suppose you are going from your home to school. Suppose this is your home. Wait, all of you. Let me create the page. Just 1 second. Okay, let me create the page. Okay, now suppose this is your home and you want to move from, this is your home and you want to move from your home to school. How long will it take for Orchishman to come to school from home? How long it will take for Orchishman? How long? This is Orchishman's house. Okay, this is Orchishman's house and this one is our school. Okay, how long will it take to come to school from Orchishman's house? By walking. How much by walking? Okay, we cannot hear from Orchishman. Suppose this is school of Rajonnapal. Rajonnapal, how long will it take?
Sir, my name is not Rajanna Pal, my name is Tandrima Pal.
Okay, Tandrima Pal. How long will it take? From your home, if you come to school by walking, how long will it take? Can you tell me?
10 hours.
10 hours. 10 hours.
Sir, I can.
Are Nana, it won't take 10 hours. 10 hours is a very long amount of time. It won't take 10 hours.
No, sir.
Okay, how long will it take?
House is in Fulia.
How long?
Sir, Tandrima's house is in Fulia.
That's why 10 hours.
Okay. So her house is in Fulia. Okay, so if he comes by walking, it will take, I think, 1 hour. Can you come in 1 hour from Fulia to this school? Can you come in 1 hour? Okay, how long does it take by bus?
Less than 1 hour. Sir, less than 1 hour.
Suppose she is coming from Fulia and by bus,
From Shantipur to Fulia by bus takes 20 minutes.
Okay, so by
25
bus,
minutes.
okay, suppose by bus it takes 20 minutes. Okay, by bus. So what is happening? Chandrima is sitting here and the bus is moving forward. The bus reached the school and it took 20 minutes. Who's that? Okay, Dhruvajyoti, I am muting you because of your brother. Okay, now all of you look into the screen. So suppose you are walking or you are moving from Fulia to school and it is taking you about 20 minutes. Okay. So what is happening? You are given a road. What are you given? You are given a road. This is a
road.
Yes, this is a road. Okay. If you have to come to school, then you have to come by the road. Now, only people can travel in bus, right? Can a puppy travel in bus?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Puppy can.
Can a cat travel in bus?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
If you take him then.
Yes.
Hey,
If you take them,
all of you see Orchishman, what happened to you? What happened to his face? Can all of you see the mouth of Orchishman? Okay, so if you are coming from Fulia, to Shantipur, okay, you are traveling and it is taking a time of 20 minutes. Now if you have a bus, the bus can take you, the bus can take your puppy, the bus can take your cat. Can the bus take your bag also?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Of course.
so the bus can take my
Yes,
bag. Okay, so the bus can take my bag also. Okay, can the bus take the dust of my shoe?
Yes, sir.
Can the
Yes,
bus take the dust of my shoe?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can
Yes,
you tell
sir.
me how small is a dust? A dust is this small. This is a dust, it is so small,
Yes.
yes.
right? A dust is so small. Okay, can you now tell me if the dust is so small and the dust can be carried by the bus, so can you tell me, suppose there is an atom and we have studied about electron, neutron and proton. Have we studied about that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Yes,
we
sir.
have a neutron.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose we have a neutron or suppose we have a proton. So can I make a proton travel if I make a space for it? Can I do that? Can I do that?
Sir,
Can a proton travel by the bus?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now a proton is very small. So a proton doesn't need a big thing like bus to make it travel. Can I make a proton travel by simply a small ball? Can I make a proton travel by a small ball? Okay.
Yes.
Now if I make the ball much smaller, so small that you cannot see, can a proton travel from within of this thing?
Yes.
Yes, because protons are very small. Okay, protons are very small.
Very small.
Now just imagine about machines. Okay, I'll ask Aditi Talukdar. Aditi, have you seen a machine at home? Have you seen a machine at home?
What?
Machine at home. Have you seen a machine at home?
Yes.
Okay, can you name that machine?
The motors in our home are machines.
Ha.
The motors in our homes are machines.
In your room?
Room not. In our homes, the motors are machines.
The motors are machines. So you have seen motor, right? This is how a motor looks. You have seen motor.
Yes.
Okay, this is how a motor looks. Now, if you see a motor, this motor is a machine, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, have you seen any machine bigger than motor outside of your house?
The washing machine.
Washing machine. Okay, so we have.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, in our house there is washing machine also.
Okay, so there is a washing machine. So we see that the washing machine is much bigger than this motor, right?
Yes.
Okay, have you seen a bigger machine, that washing machine outside of your house?
Big. Or outside.
Yes. Have you seen?
Big generator powers in very big generator power.
A very big generator. Okay. So we have a very big generator. We have one at school also. We have a very
digital generator.
okay. So we have a very big generator. Okay. This is a very big generator.
Generator.
So we have a very big generator. Okay. Have you seen any
Generator.
machine bigger than this one?
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Okay. So
Aeroplane.
if I compare the size of a generator, if I compare the size of a generator, okay, suppose this is our generator. If I compare the size of a generator, if this is the size of a generator, if I imagine this as the size of a generator, okay, if I imagine this as the size of a generator, okay, an aeroplane will have a size so big, so big. Yes, this is our aeroplane. An aeroplane will have a size so big. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the aeroplane will have a size this big. Okay, so this is our aeroplane. Now the question is, have you seen anything larger than the aeroplane?
Train.
That's
Train.
Okay, okay, train. Okay, train.
Rocket
So,
also.
Rocket.
okay. So let us take rocket first. Okay, suppose let us compare the size of rocket. Suppose this is a plane. This is a plane. A rocket will have a size of almost this height, not more than this. A rocket will have a size of almost this height. A rocket is not more than this height. Okay, this is a rocket. Okay, have you seen anything? Have you seen anything more bigger than the rocket? Any machine bigger than the rocket? No, satellite
No.
is not that big. Satellite is small. Anything bigger than the rocket?
Satellite is carried by a rocket.
Train. Yes, we can have train. Okay, suppose this is the size of a train. Okay, let us compare. Suppose this is the size of a train. Okay, if we shorten it, if we shorten this thing, and if we imagine a train, if we imagine a train, the longest goods train, the longest goods train that carries load, which we often call as malgadi, the longest good train can be of this length. This can be the longest good train. Okay, longest good train. Have you seen anything bigger than the train?
No, sir.
Have you seen any machine bigger than the train?
No, sir.
So the
long crane construction.
No. The crane is smaller than that. So the biggest machine that you have seen is a goods train. Is that clear? This is the biggest machine that you have ever seen, right? Tell me if I am wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Moitri is open. Chitrita, turn on your camera. Chitrita, turn on your camera. Avrojit, turn on your camera. Okay, what if I say that if I take this train and I imagine about a city. Okay, suppose I take this train, I decrease the size of this train, okay. Now if I imagine a city this big, not only this big, much bigger than that. Okay, I cannot shorten the train. Suppose if this is the length of the train, and I imagine a city like this, just imagine a city so big,
Is more bigger than
a city so big. Can you imagine a machine so big which is present on earth? Can you imagine that?
The Navy ship.
Sir, city is a machine.
Yes,
Machine.
see the biggest machine that you have ever seen is this train, right? This is the biggest machine that you have ever seen. Now,
Yes.
can you imagine a machine as big as this much? An
Sir, a
entire
Navy
city,
ship. A Navy ship.
an entire city.
A Navy ship.
Yes, a train, a machine as big as an entire city. Okay, how many of you have gone to Kolkata?
Sir,
Argon. Sir, argon. That's
Okay.
not easy.
Sir, argon.
That's not easy.
Okay, how many of you have gone to?
Sir, by protein.
Okay, how many
Sir,
of you
I
have?
also gone.
Okay, okay, how many of you have gone to Ranaghat?
Argon.
Sir,
argon.
Sir, I.
Okay.
Sir, I
How
live
many-
in Argon.
Okay,
I
how
live
many of you
there.
have gone to? You live in Ranaghat?
Yes, sir.
Hey, you live in Purulia.
To home. To home. To home.
Where do you live in Ranaghat?
Sir, she has two homes.
Mahaprabhupada.
One in Ranaghat.
In
I also read. Sir,
wait,
also live in
wait, let me listen to Rajan Napal. In where do you live in Ranaghat?
Mahaprabhupada.
মহাপ্রভু পাড়া এ বাবা তোমার
Yes,
বাড়ির
sir.
কাছে ওকে whenever you visit Ranaghat come have a look at me okay and bring your brother with you
And sir, you also come.
okay are you in Mahaprabhu Para now
No, sir. Now we are in Krishnanagar.
okay Krishnagar
পুরীতে থাকতে
okay are you
house do you
okay
have?
tell me one thing are you Jajabor are you Jajabor
Yes, sir.
okay let us learn the important thing that we are doing now okay so can you imagine okay has anyone of you gone to Chagda
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes, sir.
okay just imagine a machine which is starting from your home and the machine is as long as Chagda can you imagine that can you imagine a machine
Devotee, please mute your system.
Sir, a navy ship.
okay can you imagine
Sir, a
that
navy ship. Navy ship.
ha
A navy ship.
you are
Sir, a navy ship.
maybe sheep
No.
I cannot understand what is Aditya telling can anyone tell me
Sir, he is telling that from Shantipur to Chagda distance, this is one navy ship.
one navy ship no see if the biggest ship that you can find will be of this size not more than that the biggest ship ever possible this can be the size of the
Titanic.
biggest no Titanic is smaller ship this can be the biggest ship ever possible this is the biggest ship ever possible okay a train a goods train a very big goods train will be bigger than the biggest ship ever possible okay this is the biggest ship that can be ever possible okay now what we were doing is that just imagine a machine which is starting from your home and it is ending at Chagda can you imagine how big it will be can you imagine yes where is not a machine Aditya where is not a machine I am talking about a machine can you imagine a machine this big can you imagine a machine so big can you imagine a machine so big can you ever imagine a machine so big see that is what I am trying to tell you the machine that we are trying to understand today is known as LHC what is it known as all of you what is it known as
LHC.
yes only two has answered I want to hear audio from all of you Pritisha Chitrita
LHC.
Moitri Aditi LHC
LHC.
okay L stands for large H stands for hadron C stands for collider okay now if you make a rocket the rocket will take a human being to space right if you take a bus
And for C stands for
if you take a rocket yeah Chitrita Moitri what are you telling
C stands for
C stands for collider.
Sir, again tell what is the
C-O-L-L-I-D-E-R. Collider. C. Okay.
Sir, what is the biggest place in attendance?
Shomili Vishwas, I cannot see you. Shomili Vishwas, I cannot see you. Moshumi Das, I cannot see you. Ishita, Aditi, Aditya, I cannot see you. All of you whose name I called out, turn on your camera.
Sir, you already also.
Sir, my camera is on.
No, no.
So now our
My camera is on.
Okay, then it is somehow I cannot.
Sir, my camera, but when your screen it is not working. But my camera is on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is not showing.
Okay. Now let us study again. Okay. Now we were doing Large Hadron Collider. Okay. Now imagine if you have a bus will take a human, a bus will take a luggage. Okay. Now you think of a train will also take a human, the train will also take a luggage. You think of a rocket, the rocket will take a human. But what will this Large Hadron Collider take with it? What will this Large Hadron Collider allow to pass? Can anyone say me? Can anyone tell me?
The whole city.
Can anyone tell me what will this Large Hadron Collider allow? Yes, I cannot hear. Tell me again.
Sir, the whole city. Sir, electricity.
It will allow proton to pass. It will allow only proton to pass. Do you want to see how a Large Hadron Collider looks like?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do you have the curiosity
Yes,
to see
sir.
how a big machine like this looks like?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me show you
Yes, sir.
LHC of Geneva. Let me show you LHC of Geneva. See.
Never.
Can you understand how big this is? This is the entire city. Can you see it as the entire city? Can you see it as the entire city? Can all
Yes,
of you
sir.
can all of you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can all of you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, can you imagine how big it is? How big the city is?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
we are just seeing it from the top. Okay. Can you tell me what are these small white houses here? Small white houses here and there. Can you tell me what are
These
these?
are houses.
Yes, these are houses. Yes. So this is the world's biggest machine. This is the world's biggest machine till date. No machine bigger than this can be ever made till now. Okay. This machine is known as Large Hadron Collider. Can you imagine that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to see? Do you want to see how the inside of a Large Hadron Collider looks?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me show you. Okay.
See.
Okay. This is the inside of a Large Hadron Collider. Okay. All of you wait. Let me show it to you. This is the inside of the Large Hadron Collider. Do you see this one?
Where is it?
Do you see this one? This is the office of the Large Hadron Collider.
Yes.
This is the office. Okay.
Sir, we just office.
Yeah, this is the office, and see, this is the Large Hadron Collider. Let me take you to a virtual tour. Let me take you to a virtual tour. Okay. Okay. Can all of you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the inside?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, what is the long pipe contain?
Oh, the instrument that I told you is this long pipe. I told you about an instrument, right? This is the long pipe. And see, can you see this long pipe like there? The protons or the
Yes, sir.
neutrons will pass from this long pipe. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. So do you have an idea about the Large Hadron Collider? Do you want to see the roof?
Yes.
See, this is the roof of the Large Hadron Collider. Can you see the roof? This is the roof
Yes,
of
sir.
the Large Hadron Collider. Okay. So this is the roof of the Large Hadron Collider. It's a very sophisticated road, or you can say a very sophisticated path made for the electrons, protons and neutrons to flow. Okay. Now let me tell you one thing. The Large Hadron Collider, if you cut it down, it will look like this. Do you understand how is it looking? Can you see
Yes, sir.
can you see the image?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea how big is it? Do you have any idea how big is it?
Yes.
See,
No.
see, this one is the first floor. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one is the first floor. This one is the second floor. This one is the third floor. This one is the fourth floor. This one is the fifth floor. How tall is our school building? Can anyone tell me? How many
Sixth
floors are
floor,
there?
fifth floor.
No, our school building has a total of 4 floors. Ground floor, first floor, second floor and third
And
floor.
our school, and higher than our school.
Yes, our school is only this high. Our school is only this high. Can you imagine that? And now you imagine about the machine. The machine bigger than our school. Can you imagine that? How big the machine is? A machine, imagine the machine.
Sir, the machine is bigger than our school.
Yes, this machine is bigger than our school. Okay, do you want
So
to
what is
see?
the in the inside?
Okay. Do you want to see the size of the machine compared to a human
In the
being?
middle, what is it?
Okay, let me tell one thing. Do you want to see the size of the machine compared to a human being? The size of a human being?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see if we can find one. Okay. Do you see a human being here? Let us see the image. Let the image load. Do you see a human being here?
Yes, sir, in the down.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, the small in the downward.
Okay. Just wait for 1 second, all of you. Let me see if I can help you in some other way. Just wait. Let me
Sir, after
see.
zooming, we can see it.
Yes,
I am zooming it.
that is why I am trying. Wait for some time, all
But I
of
can't
you.
zoom as I am in laptop.
Okay, can you see this human being? Can you see there is a human being?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the down, there is also one.
Yes, now you can see this human being. Now let me zoom out.
Yes.
Can you compare the size of the machine? Can you compare the size of the machine?
That the humans are looking so small.
Yes, see, this is also a human
Like
being.
like an ant.
Yes, this is also a human being. Let me zoom out. Can you get an idea how big the machine is?
Yes.
Yes, it is bigger. It is bigger than our school. Yes, it is taller and it is bigger than our school. This is known as Large Hadron Collider. What is it known as?
Large Hadron Collider.
Yes, and we were talking about
Large Hadron Collider.
Yes, we were talking about protons and electrons, right? The protons and electrons will pass through this pipe. The protons and electrons will pass
That
through this
golden
pipe.
color.
This small pipe, they will pass through this small pipe, and this enclosure is made so that the protons and electrons do not deviate from their path. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, please say again. I can't hear you for the network problem.
Tell me again, I cannot hear you.
Sir, can you please tell us after that what is done?
In this instrument we collide two protons hand on hand. In this instrument, two protons come and they collide hand on hand. Okay, let me show you LHC. Let me show you LHC animation.
What? Okay, tell.
Okay, let me show you the okay, wait, all of you wait. Let me show you the animation of LHC. Okay, wait, let me show you the animation of LHC. Just wait, all of you. All of you just wait. I will show you the animation of LHC. Wait, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can all of you? I cannot hear from all of you. Can all of you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let us see the animation now. Okay. It's a very interesting animation. Let us see it. All of you keep quiet and see it now. So this is our Geneva. Do you get the idea how big the machine is? Do you see this and get the idea how big the machine is?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us see. Do you remember the blue tunnel that I showed you? Do you remember the blue tunnel? Yes. Now see what will be done. They will be made to do an accident. See, can you see this position? Can you see this place? The protons will come and they will collide in here. The protons will come and they will collide in here. Yes, wait all of you.
Which box is this?
This is the process of finding out. See, this is the process of finding out whether in future we will be able to identify how mass is created. We have to identify how mass is created. That is our now only objective. We know about mass, but we don't know how mass is created. Is it God that creates mass, or is it science that create mass, or how is mass created? We need to understand this mystery, and that mystery can only be understood by the Large Hadron Collider. Is the idea clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me all of you.
Sir, can I off my video because my net is almost finished?
Okay, those who want to turn off their video, you can turn it off. Okay, but listen to me now. Okay, now I'll ask you a simple question. Okay, now if you want to travel from Shantipur, to Chakdaha, can you tell me what is the time that you will need? Can you tell me what is the time that you will need?
Sir, I can.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, 45 minutes to 55 minutes.
Okay, so it will take 45 minutes, right? Okay, now it is the time that will take if you go by bus. Okay, what will happen if you go by plane from Shantipur to Chakda? How much time will it take?
4 minutes.
It will take 3 to 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Yes.
5 to 4 or 5 minutes.
Okay.
4 to 5 minutes.
Okay. Let it take 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. If you go by rocket, how fast will you travel?
1 minute.
Okay. So if you go by rocket,
Again.
okay. Suppose if you go by rocket, you travel
3
by.
seconds.
Okay. If you go by rocket, suppose you travel by 3 seconds, right? if you go by rocket, suppose you travel by 3 seconds, okay? Do you know if that proton travels in the Large Hadron Collider, how fast will it travel? Do you know?
Sir, nanoseconds.
It will travel in 0.0001 second. That means if you divide 1 second by 10,000, how much small time are you getting? Very small.
Sir, this is known as the nanosecond.
No, that is not nanosecond. Nanosecond is 10 to the power minus 9 second. 10 to the power minus 9 second is known as nanosecond. Okay. 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 1 nanosecond. Okay. But the time that it will take to travel from Shantipur to Chagda in the Large Hadron Collider is only 0.0001 second. That is 1 by 10,000 time 1 by 10,000 time of a second. Is that clear? It is 1 by 10,000
Yes, sir.
time of a second. You got the idea? You got the idea?
Yes, sir.
How fast we are traveling? Just imagine how fast we are traveling. How fast? It is traveling about 3,000,000,000. That is 100,000 lakh crore. It is traveling 300 crore times faster than me. It is traveling 300 crore times. Suppose you are traveling by a bike, okay? You are traveling by a bike and you see someone walking. So if someone is walking, he is walking at a speed of 5 meters per second. If you are going by bike and your bike speed is 60, then you are traveling about 12 times faster. So can you imagine how fast a bike travels when it is traveling on the high road? It is traveling so fast. Now just imagine if that bike travels 3 crore times faster than you. How fast can it
I
be?
can see also.
Yes, it can travel 3 crore times faster than you. 3 crore times. That means it can travel across the earth and reach you in less than 1 second. It can travel across the earth and reach you in less than 1 second. That is the speed of the proton in the Large Hadron Collider. You got this idea? Did all of you get this idea?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as we have done this one, I'll ask you one by one about what tutorial we have done today. So in the tutorial class, we have done a very interesting thing. Do you have find out interest in this thing?
Yes, sir.
Do you find it
Yes,
interesting?
sir.
I want to
Yes,
listen
sir.
from all of you. Do you find it interesting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we do something new like this in our next tutorial class, or shall we do something in
Yes,
our
sir.
syllabus? What shall we do? Okay.
No, please, tell something new.
Okay. So shall we do out of syllabus or inside syllabus?
Yes.
Out. Okay. It's very nice to hear that you are so much interested.
Sir,
Yes.
one class from our syllabus and one class out of our syllabus.
In class, in syllabus.
Yes, sir, it is okay.
It is okay. Okay. Let me see what I can plan. Okay, now it is very nice to find out that we have moved out of the syllabus and we have gained a very much interest in this extra scientific field. It feels very good to teach you all of these. Now I'll ask one by one. Gopal Vishwas, first turn off your camera. Gopal Vishwas, turn off your camera. Okay, let me see your face. Okay, tell me, what is the instrument, the largest machine ever possible on earth? I can't see your face completely. Show me your face completely and tell me what is the name of the instrument that we just learned in this class. Can you tell me?
Sir, I can.
Can you tell me, Gopal Vishwas? No. Okay, I'll ask this question to Orchishman Saha. Orchishman,
Second.
okay, what is the name of the instrument?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the instrument? What is the name of the machine?
Large hydrocylinder.
Yes.
LHC.
Yes, it is Large Hadron Collider. Okay. Next, I'll go to Rajanna Pal. Rajanna Pal, tell me, what is moved inside the LHC? Is it a human being? Is it a luggage? Or is it proton?
Proton.
Proton. Okay, very good. You were attentive in the class. Okay. Next, I'll ask Aditya Saha. Aditya, turn on your camera. Aditya, turn on your camera. Okay, Aditya Saha, tell me, this Large Hadron Collider is present in which city? This Large Hadron Collider is present in which city?
Sun.
It is present in Sun. Okay, it is present in Sun. Very good. Okay, I will ask Mousumi Das. Mousumi Das, Sun is present in which country or locality? Sun is present in which locality? Okay. Okay, let me ask this question to Aditi Talukdar. Aditi, Sun is present in which locality? Okay, no problem. Dhrubajyoti Boiragi, can you tell me, Sun is present in which locality?
Sir, you not told this outside in class.
Yes, I showed you in the video. Dhrubajyoti, turn on your camera. I showed it in the video. Dhrubajyoti, turn on your camera. Okay, which locality?
Sir,
Yes.
which locality means country?
Yes, if you can say about the country, you can tell.
Sir,
Tell me fast.
Sir, I know.
Okay.
USA.
Okay, can anyone tell me?
Sir, Switzerland.
Switzerland. And which city? Who said Switzerland?
Sun.
Very good. Which city?
Sir, Aditya. Sun.
Okay.
Sun.
No, city is Geneva. Which city?
Geneva.
Which city? Geneva. Okay. Next question.
Geneva City.
Okay. Next question. I'll ask Priti Shah. Priti Shah, turn on your camera. Priti Shah, turn on your camera. Priti Shah. Okay. Priti Shah. Okay. Chitrita. Moitri, tell me. In Large Hadron Collider, is the instrument circular in shape, rectangular in shape, or straight? Is the instrument circular in shape, rectangular in shape, or straight?
Straight.
No. Can anyone say this answer?
Sir, I
Okay, I can understand. You can say. Eh? Okay. I can understand that most of you can tell the answer. I'll ask this to Moitri again. Moitri, can you tell the answer? Moitri, can you tell the answer?
Straight.
No, it is not straight.
Sir, I can.
It is circular. Okay, I'll ask the next question to Chitrita. Okay, Chitrita, I'll ask this question to Chitrita. Chitrita,
The machine is
we can see you completely.
circular, but the machine is straight.
The machine is not straight, the machine is circular. Okay, the machine is not straight. Okay, Chitrita, we cannot see you completely. Yes, now we can see you. Okay, Chitrita, the next question goes to you. Chitrita, tell me. Chitrita, okay, all of you wait. Chitrita, tell me. How fast does the particle travel in the Large Hadron Collider? How fast the particle travel in Large Hadron Collider? Tell me.
In 0.0001 second.
Very good. So,
0.0001
yes. So it can complete a rotation in 0.0001 second. Okay. So I have asked all of you, and it's a very good thing that all of you have answered it correctly. So a big clap for all of you, for all of yourselves. Clap for yourself, all of you. Clap. I want to see your
Thank
clapping
you,
on
sir.
screen. I want to see your clapping on screen. Moushami Das, I cannot see you. Preeti Shah, I cannot see you clapping. Ishita Roy, Aditya Talukdar, I cannot see you clapping. All of you together. Clap for yourself. Yes, clap for yourself. Very good. You have done a very nice class. Thank you. Okay, okay, very good. Thank you for being attentive in the class. We will end the class now. All of you, bye bye. Bye bye. Tata.
Bye, doctor.
Okay, bye bye. See you next day.